getting stopped at every red light today. Every one of them. We just had a pretty solid skate sesh. Sort of. I need to go to this park more often. Like, I've been trying to heel flip this, like a 4, I think it's a 4 or 5 stair, I forget. I've been trying to heel flip this 4 or 5 stair for like a few weeks now. But I only hit up that park like once a week, maybe twice a week if I'm lucky. So it just, like, I just lose it every time. It's crazy. I know some of y'all skate, so y'all will know what I'm talking about. It's been a pretty chill day. I mean, we had a nice gym session, got some stretching in, hit the skate park. Like, it's pretty good. It's going pretty good. It's a nice day. We got nice weather. Low key want to get some ice cream. What do they say? They call it like no sugar summer, I think is what they call it. I try not to eat a lot of sugar, so we gotta cut out as much sugar as humanly possible. I did have a donut today though, I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm going to raise the rear of this car like just barely, like just barely. Like, I'm gonna turn that bolt like one time, if that, and that should give me like quite a bit of clearance, or at least the clearance that I'm looking for, and I think we'll be good to go. I think after that it'd be pretty solid. Don't quote me on that though. What is that? Jeez. Wait until I get these shots, bro. I'm telling you, I'm gonna be unstoppable. I hope all of y'all are having a good week. It's been a long ass week for me. A lot of studying, a lot of grinding, but we're getting there. We are slowly getting there. So I can't complain. He gave me a thumbs up. Sir, you need some gear on. Holy crap. My boy just got a hoodie on. Bouncy. You know what? I might take this car out tomorrow as well. 2 times in 1 week. Wow. Who are you, bro? Brother, be careful. You have no gear on. My boy, you only got a helmet on. Holy. 3. Fun fact, I used to have a Mazda 3 a long time ago, and I loved that car. I thought that car was so sick. And I almost modded it. I was gonna spray paint the wheels black. And I was gonna get an Amazon wing, throw a little Amazon wing on there. Thankfully, I did not do that. And I waited and I got the Mazda 6. Love that car. That car was beautiful. Low-key wish I kept it as a daily, but I did not. And that sucks. Look like a drop top. Am I tripping? I might be tripping. Bro, I will always love this car. I'll tell you. I will always love this car. I don't know, man. Still a little slow. Still a little slow. I ain't gonna lie, but it's still fun. It's a little slow. Fast enough. This is that dip. Ugh. There we go. Again, cannot complain. Bro, I swear, whenever I'm in this car, I never run into people. But as soon as I'm in the daily, every single time I'm in the daily, I'm passing by other Corvettes. I'm passing by like modded Beamers and all this other crazy stuff. And I'm like, yo, where are y'all when I'm in the Corvette? Like, come on now. Like, people are plotting against me or something. Is this an unmarked? Boy, if you don't get this battery out the way. Nah, I'm just messing. I like Teslas. I like EVs. I like EVs. They're cool. Low-key wish I had one. Low-key wish I had one. got that. Bro, wait until I tighten up this suspension, bro. I'm telling you. Just wait. Oh, bro, just wait. I'm telling you. Get that Maverick out of my face, brother. Just kidding. I like Mavericks. I think they're cool little trucks. Sheesh. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah, buddy. Alright, this might be a cop right here. Let me chill. Y'all can't see, but I'm like squinting right now. I don't think so. I think we're good. Sir. Get this toaster out of the way. Now I actually don't like Jeeps. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like Jeeps. To be able to push this car so bad. I have to wait until like 2 in the morning. Something crazy. Yo, are y'all seeing this sky right now? Look at some crazy colors. We got some fuchsias going on. Crazy. off so good though, bro. And we don't have any heating issues. My overheating worries are gone. I am happy about that. I don't know if both my lights are gonna let up. Let's see. Literally just the one. Crazy. I need to look into that. I don't know why this left one gets stuck. I need to look into that. I'll check that out over the weekend because I genuinely have no idea why. And not tell you why this headlight gets stuck, and I hate taking this thing apart. I think this one used to get stuck, or maybe it was this one, I don't remember, but I fixed it at one point and it was fine, and then it started it again. So I see why people get rid of these pop-ups. I'm actually considering getting rid of these too, and we'll go with something a bit more like modern. It'll still look very sleek, but whenever those headlights, I have a set of headlights in mind, I want to get those so bad. They're just a little expensive. I think this month or next month, or like the pre-order that he does, I don't even know. But as soon as I get that email, I'm ordering those and we're putting those on. It's gonna be freaking sick. I'm legit tired of these pop-ups. Like, like it was cool at first, but now it's like, it's a problem. So I'm over it. I'm gonna fix these one more time because I hate having to take this thing apart. I always have to take these headlights apart and like fix stuff. So that's very annoying, but it's part of the game when you have pop-ups. So I will probably have to take this one apart over the weekend. I'm not gonna bother with that right now, but it should be good for now. I don't know. I'm annoyed with that, I'm not gonna lie.